venida de la estrella polar llega primero.
But why would I tell you to when you two are just gypsies? Yes.
My name is Rosa. This is my assistant, Maria Jose.
Magicians, you say? Magicians? Fortune tellers? Oh, are you?
See into the future.
Crystal, and then pull back your string with care. 5. Aim with eagle's eyes. 5. 6. And you see how that arrow flies. 7. And you like a lion be proud. And 8. Bullseye! Bows the crowd. Good job! Music, everyone stand up. On your feet.
Stand still like a deer. 2, your eyes open, show no fear. 3, strong arms like a bear. 4, pull back your string with care. 5, aim with eagle's eyes. 6, see how the arrow flies. 7, like a lion be proud. 8, bullseye, down to the ground.
Everything all right, Phil? Hey! Don't Yes, very good. And you... Martha, is that Robin Hood? It is, Nelson. Yes, I thought it was. Is it Martha? Martha says no, Nelson. Is that Robin Hood? You said yes just now. Everyone, is that Robin Hood? The winner is Martha and Nelson because you are Robin Hood. You lie! You lie! Thank you!
Stand still like a deer. 2, keep your eyes open, show no fear. 3, strong arms like a bear. 4, go back your string with care. 5, aim with eagle's eyes. 6, see how the arrow flies. 7, like a lion be proud. 8, bullseye, bow to the ground. 2, show no fear. 3, strong arms like a bear. 4, go back your string with care. 5, aim with eagle's eyes. 6, see how the arrow flies. 7, like a lion be proud. 8, bullseye, bow to the ground.